What's up, traders? Two trades today on AVRO and SGEN. I'm on 1 hour sleep. Stayed up watching the World Series of Poker last night. It didn't end until a little after 5 in the morning. I had to turn around and wake up around 6:15 when the youngest was up. So, yeah, I am pretty tired, but we ended up having a pretty good day, so can't complain about that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm just being a jerk about that. You know, you don't really have to. Yes, you do have to like and subscribe. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be such a jerk about it, but you should like and subscribe, right? I mean, it helps me grow the channel, which in return helps me keep making this content for you guys, as well as it's nice to just know that I'm supported. So let's get to it. So we're watching AVRO here. Kind of missed our opportunity over 22 earlier. We're just going to see if she'll pop back up over 22. Might just look to short the bid here if it'll come up. There we go. We're going to get in 22.20. Oh, yeah, that's what we got. We're just really looking for that bid to come up. Might look to add here. She wants to go for the 50 pop. Just started with 50 shares. See if we can get back under 22 here. Just trying to hold 22 as support, but we're looking for this thing to get under. So we got an order in here at 21.55. We're coming down to it. All right, and we're filled. Cool. SGEN's deciding to try to go here. We had a nice little pop over 73. We're going to take a position. Man, I thought I hit it higher than that. We got 73.02. We wanted higher, assuming that she's going to fail 73, which she is right here. If we can get down there towards 72.50 right away, we would probably take it. Put an order in there, 55. Look to add up there towards that line we have drawn. That's from the daily. All right, we're kind of moving back up. We'll put this order in just in case she wants to get over that 50 pop. There's a big order there at 37. See if she can get through there. If she gets through there, I think we might get filled pretty quickly. There she went through. Yep, and there we go. We got filled. We're right at that line from the daily. Just getting rejected so far. There we go. Pretty decent rejection there. What do we got our 60 there, so we're up to 73.31. We're gonna look to just take half our shares off at a profit at 73.20. If we would have somehow got that in right away, like we probably should have, we would have gotten filled already because it did get below there. But it's okay. I got a feeling she's gonna come back down. We'll get half our shares out there and then hopefully get back under 73 for the rest. I hate that I'm not super patient with these because I should probably try to hold this. And there we go. We got filled. Probably should have tried to hold the full amount to get under 73. Yep, and there she goes. Yeah, that would have been nice. It's okay, though. We're taking risk off the table. Man, that would have been really nice. Taking risk off the table is not a bad thing. We might look to cover another 25 of the remaining 50 here. Let's put that in down there towards 72.70. See if we can get that filled. And then we'll look for the rest under 72.50. This thing isn't sure if it wants to go over 73 or not. Oh, sweet. There we go. Got filled for those shares at 73.70. So we got our remaining 25 shares at 73.31 still. Let's go ahead and put that order in for the remainder. Let's see. We'll do let's do 72.30. Yeah, so we can get a point. That'd be pretty cool. Let's see if we can get down there. If she can hold under 50, I see no reason. She already obviously got down to 33, I think was the lowest we saw. So let's see if we can get another. There we go. We're back down to that 33. See if we can push through, and we push through. Awesome. So there we go. Nice little trade there on SGEN. All right, traders, so as you can see, that was my trades on SGEN and AVRO. Let's take a look real quick at SGEN. Let's go over to the daily, show you where I got that line from. It was really just, I threw it in looking at this resistance, and you came back over here. You saw it use as resistance as well as support right before this huge gap down. So it was a good key area to kind of just go off of for if it was making a quick move intraday to look for it to bounce off. And sure enough, that's exactly what she did. As you can see, she actually came up and double topped as well right at that same area. So a nice little key area of resistance that we found. We got it started just a tad early, but we knew that we were looking to add up there closer to that line, and that's what we ended up getting. So we did 50-50, and then we took off our 50 just a little bit under our average at that point. And so we ended up with profit on all three of these covers, and this one we got a full point on. We were up at 31, 73.31 average, and we ended up getting 72.30 on these final 25 shares. So that's pretty cool to get a full point. I think that might be the first time I've actually done that. So pretty happy about that. Going over to AVRO, so it's pretty much a standard, move on volume, feeling the top, got the 22 key area pop, and we got short on top of it, and we had a nice little flush right after. Probably could have held on a little bit longer, but we just had a starter position, didn't want chances coming back up after the quick move down, so we decided to take it, and it was a pretty good trade. So pretty happy with it. We actually ended up at 1.5 our quota today, and we're going to be pretty happy with that. So, all right, traders, so like and subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciate the support. Any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm going to go get some sleep. Peace.